If USB-C is the port that finally let one cable charge every device, MCP is trying to be the same thing for AI tools. It's the Model Context Protocol. And it might be the most important piece of plumbing in the entire agentic AI stack. Today, what MCP actually is, why it exists, how it works under the hood, and why every serious AI app is starting to support it. Let's start with the problem MCP solves. Before MCP, every AI tool needed custom integration code for every AI app. Slack to Claude. Slack to ChatGPT. Slack to Gemini. GitHub to Claude. GitHub to ChatGPT. Jira to each, Notion to each, Postgres to each. The math is brutal. N tools times M models equals N times M integrations. A quadratic explosion. Maintaining all these integrations was a full-time job for some engineers. And every new AI app or new tool meant another set of bridges to build. MCP fixes this with a simple, elegant idea. Define one open protocol. Have every AI app speak it. Have every tool implement it. Now integration becomes N plus M, not N times M. You build one MCP server for your tool, and every MCP-aware AI app can use it. Instantly. Forever. That alone makes MCP a big deal. But the design has more to offer. How does MCP work? On one side, you have the MCP client, that's the AI app. Claude, Cursor, Cowork, your own custom agent, anything that's MCP-aware can be a client. On the other side, you have the MCP server, that's the tool. Slack, GitHub, Postgres, the file system, your own internal API, anything that exposes capabilities through MCP is a server. The protocol defines exactly how they talk to each other. Standardized JSON RPC messages flow back and forth. Discovery, invocation, results, all in one consistent format. What does an MCP server expose? 3 things, all in one shape. Tools, functions the model can call. Send a Slack message. Create a Jira issue. Run a Postgres query. Each tool has a name, a description, and an input schema in JSON. Resources, read-only data the model can pull in. Files, database rows, document contents. The model can browse what's available and load specific resources into context. Prompts, reusable prompt templates the server provides. Summarize this pull request. Triage this support ticket. Servers can ship pre-built prompts that work well with their data. All 3 are discoverable at runtime. The client asks the server, "What do you have?" and the server responds with the full menu. Under the hood, MCP is a simple JSON RPC handshake. The client first sends a message asking what tools are available. The server replies with a list, tool names, descriptions, and input schemas. When the model decides to call a tool, the client sends a tools call message with the tool name and arguments. The server runs the function and returns the result. The client passes that result back into the model's context. That's the entire protocol. It's transport agnostic, works over local pipes, WebSockets, HTTP. It's language agnostic, implementations exist in Python, TypeScript, Go, Rust. Simple by design. The ecosystem is already huge. Hundreds of MCP servers exist today. Slack, GitHub, Jira, Confluence, Postgres, the file system, Box, Snowflake, browsers, Gmail, Discord, Notion. The list keeps growing. Anthropic, the major cloud providers, and the open source community have all built servers. Install one in your AI app, and that app instantly gains those capabilities. Zero glue code on your side. And you can build your own, for your internal tools, your databases, your custom APIs. One server, used by every AI app you'll ever use. Why should you care about MCP as someone building agents? Build once, use everywhere. Write an MCP server for your tool, and every current and future AI app can